Hi, welcome to Lasfit channel. Today we are going to install the Pro Series H7 LED bulbs for this 2019 GLC300. Lasfit Pro-DC series is designed based on the OEM headlight housing, which is custom LED headlight bulbs with extended dust covers for some specific vehicles. First, we're going to remove the panel cover to install our LED light. Then remove the dust cover. Our products are based on the factory design and add a cooling fan and vent. Pull out the stock light. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel. Unplug the halogen bulb. Next, we are going to plug in the LED light. Attention, turn it on to test whether it is working properly before installing it back. If the LED light is not working, please unplug it and rotate it 180 degrees and reinstall it. Put the LED bulb into the housing aligned to the socket, and lock it in place. Reinstall the dust cover, making sure the arrow points down. Then put the panel cover back. The other side is the same step. To get more info, welcome visit our website lasfit.com. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates. Thanks for your watching.